Welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to set up data analytics for your small business. We'll walk through how ChatGPT can help you choose the right metrics, find beginner-friendly AI tools, and get actionable insights, all in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, let's decide which data metrics matter most for your business. Start by asking ChatGPT a question like, what are the most important data metrics for my small retail business? ChatGPT instantly generates a list of key metrics like sales trends, customer retention rates, and conversion rates. These are great starting points because they help you understand customer behavior, monitor sales patterns, and evaluate the effectiveness of your marketing. Next, let's get ChatGPT's help with finding the right tools for these metrics. Ask it something like, which AI tools can I use to track sales trends and customer retention? ChatGPT suggests beginner-friendly tools like Google Analytics for tracking website traffic and customer journeys, Zoho Analytics for sales and customer data, and Looker Studio for creating visual dashboards. These tools are accessible, even if you're just getting started with analytics. Once you've picked a tool, use ChatGPT to guide you through setting up a dashboard. For example, ask ChatGPT, how do I set up a sales trends dashboard in Zoho Analytics? Provide step-by-step instructions. The step-by-step guidance makes it simple to track metrics in real time, helping you see exactly when and where your sales peak, which products are selling best, and how loyal your customers are. Finally, it's time to take action based on your data. Use insights from your dashboard to make smart business decisions. For example, if you notice that sales peak during certain times, consider stocking up on inventory for those periods. If customer retention is low, think about offering loyalty programs or enhancing customer service. If certain products sell best, use that data to shape your future product lineups or marketing campaigns. With ChatGPT, setting up data analytics is quick and easy, even if you're new to it. In under 5 minutes, you've gone from picking metrics to tracking insights and taking action. If you want more help with using AI in your business, feel free to book a free 15-minute consultation at investinyourself101.com. Let's make data work for you. Follow us for more AI lessons and tips on growing your business.